morning, guys. John Chicken Chip Farms again. We're actually in, well, they call it Jacksonville, but we're outside Jacksonville, just west of Jacksonville off Beaver Street. This is a C&S Baldwin, which is it's actually the WinDixie distribution center over here. I've been here many times before on the dry goods side of the warehouse. This is my first time on the refrigerated side. I brought a load of Lunchables over here. Came from Kraft, which I think they call the Atlanta Marketplace in Union City, Georgia. So we haul. We actually have a dedicated account with Kraft. So this, I'm pretty sure, is not part of that. It's usually Kraft to Kraft. But it's my first time here on the refrigerated side. So we're gonna see how it goes. What type of unload times we're looking at. I know on the grocery store side they can be pretty awful, so we're going to see. One thing I like about this place is they do have a large overnight parking area, or staging area it's called, where you come in. Everybody has to park there and then walk up and check in. With security, they'll call you and give you a door assignment. But yes, a lot of overnight parking here, so definitely if you got an early morning or late night or whatever, you're running out of hours, you're worried about where to park, because there's really nothing in Jacksonville. It's a good place to park. It's funny though, they gave me my door assignment and I went to 3 different doors and they all had people in them. So yeah, good luck trying to call them back and tell them that. Luckily somebody just happened to be walking by and was like, "Oh, just go in this door." So we'll see if they got that fixed on the other side, because I'm sure the lumper will be like, "Hey, you were in door 110. Yep. Oh, you were in door 121. No. Oh, well, 122. No. So yeah, we'll see. I'll probably go back and check in with them, tell them what door I'm actually in. Alright guys, catch you and let you know how our experience went. We are again. Today we're at C&S Baldwin in Jacksonville, Florida, which is actually WinDixie distribution center. I've actually been here before, just not on the refrigerated side, with another company I was with. They were part next to Prime. I said, so I guess we'll find out what the load times look like here. I think they're very dependent on who and what you brought. Today we've got a load of Lunchables, so we're going to see how that goes. Alright guys, we're out. Definitely a long stop. Like I said, I've been in the door since 8, and I believe it's about 2 o'clock right now, so yeah, we spent a long time here. We're going to go out and see if we can't find something else to do today. But it's definitely the longest I've been here. So I don't know if that's the norm or not. I guess we'll wait and find out. But definitely slow. So that's your gate coming in. If you look on the other side over there, see where all those trucks are parked. That's where the overnight parking and staging is. There's the staging area, overnight parking. Right there, I'll say you have to walk up to the guard shack, check in, then they'll give you a call when you got a door. Or be like me and they'll give you a call and you end up at 3 different doors. There, plenty of parking.